Year 2020 was the year of digital transformation. The outbreak of coronavirus pandemic shifted the gear of digital literacy. Right at that time when the whole world was confined within four walls, Indian government was looking for ways to make the citizens more informed about the deadly virus. Arogya Setu Bluetooth-based COVID-19 tracker. Arogya Setu is a contact tracing app. It has been launched by the central government in 2020 with the motto to ensure safety and protection of users from this life-threatening virus. It is a one-stop destination for information related to containment zones, virus hotspots, and also about the nearest testing centers. One can get updates of up to 10 kilometers as in how many people are showing symptoms within that radius. To reach almost all corners of India, the app is available in 11 languages, which includes English, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, Punjabi, Bengali, Odia, Gujarati and Marathi. Arogya Setu Performance Review. With more than 170 million downloads so far, Arogya Setu app has become the most successful digital response. WHO has also lauded the Arogya Setu app for its success in helping health departments to identify COVID-19 affected people. It also identifies zones vulnerable to the disease. The app is mandatory for all the public and private entity employees. CoWIN Portal. It is another initiative of the central government. To get vaccinated, one needs to register on the website www.cowin.gov.in. There are three ways to get yourselves vaccinated. One is self-registration. You can register for yourself through phone number. Details required will be name, photo ID, date of birth and gender. CoWIN provides users the option to select and schedule an appointment date. It also gives users the comfort of choosing their nearest center. Second way is to directly reach private and government centers to get yourself vaccinated. The third option is to reach out to ASHA and ANM. This option can be specially beneficial for people living in rural areas. Through door-to-door service, the workers will give information about the Kendras. CoWIN Portal also has a list of both government and private hospitals who are offering vaccination service. Integrated Disease Surveillance Program. Under IDSP, surveillance units have been established in all states and district headquarters. They are reporting weekly data on the epidemic-prone diseases. The data is collected to monitor disease trends and to detect and respond to outbreaks in early rising phase through trained rapid response teams. Health Ministry developed COVID India portal and testing portal for collecting state-specific data pertaining to various aspects of COVID-19 management. With prior information, states and UTs are provided with the additional manpower, IT equipment for data entry, analysis and data transfer. eSanjeevani, boosting the digital health ecosystem in India. eSanjeevani has brought a digital transformation in the delivery of quality health services at a national scale. During COVID-19 pandemic, eSanjeevani proved its usefulness and easy accessibility while boosting the digital health ecosystem in India. eSanjeevani platform is operational in 31 states and UTs, and daily over 35,000 patients across the country are using this innovative digital medium to seek health services. It enables two-way interaction and even generates a prescription slip. So far, over 21 lakh patients have been served through eSanjeevani OPD. Within a quick time span, Arogya Setu and similar digital media initiatives have allowed the pandemic to be contained and confidence to be rebuilt, reflecting in upwards revised GDP growth projections for the economy. That's all for today. We will catch up soon with another episode. Till then, take care.